Hi, Craig and Patty. My name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the privilege of speaking with Marissa, who thought you guys would be super interested in this video I'm about to show you. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you guys can apply right away, which is going to help with your online visibility and to get more organic leads. Now, the important thing to note is that your website here is what generates 70% of those organic leads. So it is really important that your website be fully optimized so you can capture the leads. All right, so we are on your website and you have a decent looking website. Click to calls are great. It looks like you have a separate page for each of your services, which is great. I'm not seeing any service area pages. Not to say that you don't have them, but just at quick glance, I'm not seeing them. So if you do service outside of Kansas City, you should really have a separate page for each of those communities that have any type of keyword volume. So you can be found in those areas for the services you offer. Okay. I'm not seeing any local buyer intent keyword usage or any actual content on your homepage. So Google does not rank your website based on appearance. It is based on content. When it comes to websites, content is key. The more content and words you have, the better. And you need more than your top competitors in every one of your service areas. So you definitely will have to work on your content. Google wants a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage or more if your competitors have more. And that's going to be 150 words for every local buyer intent keyword that you're trying to target. Those are going to be the keywords that people are actively searching for these services that you're offering. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the service that they need. And being in emergency services, they're going to be less likely to care what the name of the company is they're calling. They're just going to want the first company that can get to their home or property. So you definitely want to be the first person that they call. So you're definitely going to have to work on that strategy, not just for your homepage, but all your service pages as well as service area pages. They all need their own individual content because Google has little robots that will index all of those pages. Pulling your content and keywords so that it can rank you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers. Your top competitor is Power Dry for the Kansas City area in water restoration services. So they have a good website. They have their own page for each of their services and service areas. You can see they're going after those local buyer intent keywords. So they're able to rank for those and be found for their services. You can see they have more content. They have content here. And then you can also see that they have separate pages for each of the service areas that they service. So it is going to be important that you're doing that as well, and that they have their own original content around keywords relative to that community. In order to beat these guys, one of the first things you're going to have to do is work on that content and keyword strategy and make sure that you have more content throughout your website than they do. The next part is search engine optimization. So this is a program called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website performs. So you can see here you have a 4.5 rating out of 100 in Google's trust flow for your website, which means that Google does not trust your website. And that is all because of your referring domains and backlinks. You have 357 backlinks, but only a 4.5, which tells us that not all of your backlinks are of good quality. They could be spam or unrelated or no follows. So you do need to make sure you're getting authoritative backlinks, because not all backlinks are created equal, and some of them can actually hurt you. So you do need to make sure you're getting those high quality. You're going to need more backlinks than your top competitor in each of your service areas, but not just more in quantity, but also in quality. So you need better than they're doing in every aspect. Because of your lack of content, you've only been indexed for 7 keywords, and you're getting 0 people to your website. You're not, out of the keywords you've been indexed for, none of these are buyer intent keywords, and they are positioned several pages behind the first page of Google. So none of these are actually going to help you to bring in customers, let alone traffic that will convert into customers. This is your competitor. They have a rating of a 15 with over 730 backlinks. So again, you're going to need more backlinks and better quality. They have a rating of over, not a rating. They have keywords indexed over 387, and they're getting over 300 people to their website every month. So this just shows you the amount of traffic you're missing out on, and this is only a small portion of the available traffic. Now, a backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is to your services and industry, the more power and authority it's going to give you. You do need to make sure that they are do follows, so they share this power, and that you're linking these to your keywords, not just to your homepage, but your service pages and service areas, so you can rank for those keywords and be found for those services. Just a quick glance at this page. It looks like majority of your backlinks are all going to your home page, and none of these are relative keywords. So if you want to be found for your services in your service areas, you're going to need to dial in those strategies, because they all work hand in hand. This is the Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your service areas and your relative keywords, because 30% of people come directly here to the maps and don't go anywhere else. So if you're not in this top 3, you're sending those leads to your competitors. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important is something called citations, which is the name of a business, an address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, etc. So you need a lot more of those and better quality ones than your top competitors. When you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your relative keywords and in your service areas. We really hope you found this video to be helpful and would love to get your feedback. If you need help getting any of these tips done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.